Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Binance. Sunod-sunod po ang inilabas na advisory ng SEC laban po sa mga unregistered trading platforms tulad po ng MyTrade at OctaFX or Octa Trading. At ngayon po ay naglabas na rin sila ng advisory laban po sa Binance. Ang Binance po ngayon ay may mga kinakaharap na kaso sa Amerika. So ito po, basahin po natin yung nakapaloob po sa advisory ng SEC laban sa Binance. This is to inform the public that the online cryptocurrency exchange Binance is not authorized to sell or offer securities to the public in the Philippines. Based on the reports and information gathered by the Commission, Binance has been actively employing promotional campaigns on various social media platforms to attract and entice Filipinos to engage in investment and trading activities using its platform. Binance may access or downloaded through different modes, including its website, the Google Play Store, and the Apple App Store. On its website, Binance claims to operate a facility to trade financial instruments and offer investment products, including spot trading using leverage, futures contracts, option contracts, cryptocurrency savings accounts, cryptocurrency staking services, and a platform for initial coin offerings. Yung mga ino-offer po ng Binance ay maiko-consider po na investments. At kapag nag-o-offer po ng investment sa publiko ang kahit na anong kumpanya, dapat po meron po muna yung secondary license at dapat nakarehistro din po sa Pilipinas. Pero ang Binance po ay hindi po nakarehistro dito sa Pilipinas at hindi rin po sila kumuha ng secondary license. While it appears that the operators of the platform are registered brokers or dealers overseas, in the Philippines, before securities and investment products can be sold or offered to the public, the Securities Regulation Code requires that the securities being offered are registered with the Philippine Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC. This involves filing an application for registration and providing detailed information about the securities, including the issuance price, the use of proceeds, and the nature of the securities. That the securities must be issued by a corporation or a licensed dealer, both of which should be registered in the Philippines, and that the issuer possesses a secondary license to sell or offer securities to the public. Based on the Commission's database, the operator of the platform, Binance, is not registered as a corporation in the Philippines and operates without the necessary license and or authority to sell or offer any form of securities as defined under Section 3.1 of the Securities Regulation Code or SRC, to engage in the business of buying or selling securities, or as a broker or dealer as provided under Section 28 of the SRC, or to create or operate an exchange for the buying and selling of securities as provided under Section 32 of the SRC. At hindi rin po nakarehistro ang Binance bilang isang BASP or Virtual Asset Service Provider sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP. Dapat po ang mga cryptocurrency exchanges na nag-ooperate po dito sa Pilipinas ay magpaparegister po sa BSP bilang isang Virtual Asset Service Provider. Kung ginagamit po ninyo ang Binance, dapat po maging maingat po kayo at i-withdraw nyo na po yung capital ninyo dahil sunod-sunod po ang mga kinakaharap nilang problema at mga kaso, lalo na po sa Amerika. Dapat po maging maingat at kailangan po mag-research kayo dahil marami po mga lumalabas na balita tungkol po sa Binance ngayon at puro masasamang balita po. At ngayon po ay naglabas na rin po ng advisory ang Securities and Exchange Commission dito po sa Pilipinas laban po sa Binance. In view thereof, the public is hereby advised to exercise caution before investing in these kinds of unregistered online investment platforms and their representatives. In dealing with these unregistered platforms, the Commission reiterates its advisory entitled Advisory Against Dealing with Non-Registered Foreign Entities, Organizations, and Corporations. At para naman doon sa mga nagpo-promote at nagre-recruit pa dyan sa Binance, tumigil na po kayo dahil naglabas na po ng advisory ang SEC at naglabas na rin po sila ng babala para doon sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, or agents, representatives, promoters, recruiters, influencers, endorsers, and enablers of the Binance platform. Ay pwede po kayo makasuhan dahil po sa paglabag sa Section 28 ng SRC at ang multa po dyan ay hanggang 5 milyon piso at pwede pa po kayong makulong hanggang 21 years or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. Kaya po mga kababayan, tigilan na po ninyo ang pagre-recruit dyan po sa Binance. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas ngayong araw, November 28, 2023. Ito pong advisory ng SEC laban po sa Binance ay makikita nyo po sa website po ng SEC Philippines. Makikita rin po ninyo doon po sa website ng SEC Philippines yung mga inilabas nilang advisories doon pa po sa ibang mga kumpanya at yung mga nilabas nilang mga cease and desist orders at mga order of revocations. Kaya lagi nyo pong i-check ang website po ng SEC para po makakuha kayo ng mga balita kung ano ba yung mga kumpanyang registered at kung ano ba yung mga kumpanyang hindi po rehistrado. Kaya lagi po ninyong i-check yung website po ng SEC. Pwede nyo rin pong i-check ito pong YouTube channel natin, ito pong News Up to Date. At ito pong YouTube channel ni Shemny Anyol, pati na rin po ang kanyang Facebook page. Dahil naglalabas din po kami ng mga warnings at mga reviews po ng mga nagkalat na mga companies. Dahil marami po ang nagkalat na mga companies. Kaya po gumagawa kami ng review para po matulungan ng publiko na makaiwas sa mga companies. Kaya lagi nyo pong i-check yung YouTube channel na News Up to Date, pati na rin po ang YouTube channel ni Shemny Anyol. At umiwas na po kayo dyan sa photo trading dahil yan po ay pataob na at yung gains trading ay tataob din po yan. Kaya umiwas po kayo sa mga ganyan mga too good to be true na mga investment schemes. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.